power of knowing your worth. Don't let others replace you. Life-changing Wordy Tales. One day, you'll realize you gave too much to people who never deserved it. You were always there when they called, always understanding, always forgiving, even when they made you feel like you were the problem. You thought kindness would make them stay. You thought loyalty would make them value you. But the truth is, people don't always value what's free. You have to know your worth. Because when you don't, others will decide it for you. They will take advantage of your silence, use your heart when it's convenient, and walk away when they're done. Don't let them replace you so easily. You are not something that can be substituted. You are not a backup plan. You are not just another person. When you finally know your worth, you stop chasing people who don't see your value. You stop begging for attention. You stop trying to prove yourself. Because deep down, you understand. If someone truly sees your light, they won't risk losing you. Never be afraid to walk away from what doesn't honor you. Sometimes walking away is not pride. It's self-respect. When you know who you are, you don't settle for half love, half effort, or half truths. You become stronger, calmer, and more peaceful. That's the power of knowing your worth. You don't need to fight to be seen. Your energy speaks louder than words. So today, remind yourself, you are rare. You are valuable. You are enough. Stop trying to fit into places that dim your light. The right people will recognize your worth, and they will never make you feel replaceable. Written and voiced by Tauch Len Wordy Tales. Stories that remind you who you are.